One of the major uses of our tools has been by woodworkers in cabinet making and furniture making. These woodworkers, these customers, have seen a really rough time since the 2008 financial crisis. What we are hoping is that by combining the capabilities of our tools, the digital fabrication capabilities of ShopBot, and placing them in the context of the 100K Garage Network, we'll be able to help bring business, productivity, and some opportunity back to woodworking shops, essentially by showing them how they can network into a system that brings them work from a wider variety of possibilities and types of customers.